You'll need a flathead screwdriver and some tape. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the lens where the clips hold it in. There are 3 clips holding the lens in. Now, wrap a piece of tape around the incandescent bulb and you can pull it out with the tape. Install the LED bulb and test it. Replace the lens and push it in to lock it. Now repeat those steps for the other map light. Gently pry out the lens. Wrap the bulb in tape. And pull the bulb out with the tape. Install the LED and test it. There is another method to replace these bulbs. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a rag. There are clips on either side that will need to be freed to remove the housing. Pry the edge of the housing down and push your rag into the gap to keep it open. Use your screwdriver to push the locking clip in to release it. You'll need to move the rag around to the edge to open it further. You'll now need to reach the inside of that clip to push it in and release the inside. With one side unlocked, you can now use your screwdriver to push open both sides of the other clip. Push one side of the bulb socket and then pull it out. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED, and test it. Push in one side of the socket and then push in the other side. Repeat those steps for the other bulb. Push one side over, then pull the socket out. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Push in one side of the socket and then the other side. Line up the clips and push the housing back into place. These new LED bulbs are super bright. We test the output with our light meter, and these LED bulbs measure 140 lux, bright enough to illuminate the entire interior.